Hello friends, this is Dr. Bhavna Lokwani here from Mumbai. I had attended Dr. Bhavdev Singh Ahuja sir's customized consent workshop in August 2021. I would highly recommend this workshop for everyone so as to learn how to make such customized consent forms easily according to the various clinical situations. The consent which we generally take is a blanket consent which is not at all valid in the court of the law. So it is at most important to learn the correct way of formulating the consent forms according to the given clinical scenario. Why consent form should be customized and we cannot keep a generalized format? Because every patient's clinical presentations, expectations and needs would be different. Therefore, there can never be a single format for the consent. This workshop was conducted in a very systematic manner by Sir, where he has explained the concept of customized consent forms, start from the basics to the advanced level, highlighting its importance. Consent form basically involves the importance of the first consultation discussion with the patient. We have to explain why there are various treatment options available, why patient has selected or arrived at a one particular treatment option and not going with the other treatment options. We have to provide information to the patients regarding the risk, benefits and various treatment options. These all points plays a vital role in formulation of the consent form. Sir has always over delivered than what he promises. He has given us, he has guided and supported us for 1.5 months with 8 sessions and a separate one-to-one session with so much of hard work, so that to fix this concept in our minds thoroughly and to understand this concept with the deeper insights. Basically, he is guiding his fellow colleagues to practice safe dentistry in an ethical manner and avoid any medico-legal issues in future. Consent form also protect us from the various issues arising in our clinic, such as payment woes, patients asking for the discount or bargaining, doing bargainings for the charges, then problems with the appointment or patient coming on the time, not coming on the time. Then so we explain all these with the help of the consent form, giving the terms and conditions of the policy and procedures to the patients accordingly, what is our culture, clinic culture, and we guide them accordingly. This is also a great practice builder in our clinic. Thank you very much, sir, for such wonderful workshop, for conducting this workshop online on our request. Thank you, everyone.